I'm here in a neighborhood in Homs, and I wanted to show you guys the reality of the Syrian people in my hometown. A lot of people lost their homes and their lives, but I wanted to come highlight how despite all of this, the people are still alive and they're so resilient. Their homes can be taken away and their lives can be ripped apart, but there's no doubt that the people of Syria are stronger than ever before and they will rebuild.
شو اسمك انت؟
مريم.
مريم. Where do you live, مريم؟ وين عايشة؟ So now مريم you see the green is the water. امتى اجيتوا لهون؟
ما صرنا
4 أشهر. She was born at the refugee camp in Jordan and they just came back 4 months ago to live in that house. تروحي على المدرسة؟ بس بتحبي تروحي على المدرسة؟ ايمتى رايحة؟ She is looking forward to start her first year school in Syria after coming back next year. بتحبي سوريا؟ مبسوطة انك عايشة هون بالبيت؟ اهلك مبسوطين انه راجعين؟ احكي لي امك قد ايه مبسوطة؟ كثير؟
أنا ماما وبابا وأخواتي وبس.
She lives with her dad, mom, brothers and sister, sibling, and her grandfather and grandmother. All of them in this house.
سلامتي.
يا سلامة. إن شاء الله بتكبري
I
وتصيري
hope you have a good
دكتورة.
time at school حبيبتي. وأحياكي. حياتي. حياتي.
ماما يا سلام.
قديش ابنك؟
11.
يعني
حبيبتي.
شو هذا كان هون مطبخ؟
اي حاجه ما تكون
الحمد لله.
هذا الحمام
هذا الحمام القصب.
هذا شرب وغار
هاي كان
وهذا الصالح
كلها صح.
كان كله صح.